blossom into something out of control. That is the way how to look at it. Sila na rin may sabi, it's a social problem, so extrajudicial killing, blah, 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 blah. So, do not just look at the figures of those who died. They are not even... Sino doon? There are thousands. You mean to say that all of them died extrajudicially? What was it? Where? How? Tapos gang with the sweeping statement, oh, this is the figure given by itong yellow on the left. Ngayon lang, ipapakita sa iyo. Eh kung ipakita ko yung listahan doon sa cemetery sa Davao, ilan na nilibing doon, maniwala rin sila.